Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bed frame with wood. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need 8 pieces of 2x6 lumber, each cut to the appropriate length for your bed size. For example, a queen-size frame typically requires 2 pieces at 62 inches and 2 at 82 inches. Don't forget a sheet of 3/4-inch plywood for the mattress base, along with wood screws, a drill, and a saw. Safety glasses are a must. Now, let's build the main frame. Take your 4 longest 2x6s and arrange them into a rectangle. Use a carpenter's square to ensure each corner forms a perfect 90-degree angle. Then, pre-drill holes and secure the corners with 3-inch wood screws. For added stability, especially for larger beds, consider adding a central 2x6 support running down the middle of the frame, attaching it with metal brackets. Next, we'll add the legs and mattress support. Cut 4 2x6s to your desired bed height, typically around 14 inches. Securely attach one leg to each inside corner of your frame using strong wood screws. If you added a central beam, place 2 more legs along its length for robust support. Finally, lay your 3/4-inch plywood sheet directly onto the frame, securing it with 1 1/4-inch screws every 12 inches. To complete your project, it's time for the finishing touches. Thoroughly sand all surfaces and edges to remove any splinters or rough spots, ensuring a smooth feel. Now, you can personalize your frame. Apply a wood stain to highlight the natural grain, or paint it a color that complements your bedroom decor. You might even consider adding a custom headboard or footboard. Congratulations, you've built a beautiful, durable bed frame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.